ازيكم متابعي القناة. How to earn easy, fast and good money from your LinkedIn account by 9 ways. 9 ways I will speak about them practically through LinkedIn account. So follow me in this video and press like if you like it. This is the 9 I put in this post. So this is all the 9. This is theoretically to create linked groups, service marketplaces, to add your services in marketplace, grow connection and followers, list and sell products on LinkedIn page, become a brand in LinkedIn, and learn sales navigator and learn LinkedIn advertising job, and integrate your other earning accounts like YouTube videos, Facebook, and WhatsApp groups with your LinkedIn through LinkedIn bosses, and search for full-time or freelancing jobs. These are the 9 ways. So we go to directly now to the LinkedIn account, and here in this matrix we press on this dot matrix, and here we have this is the third one, which is or the 4 tip with list and sell products. So if you need to sell any product, you can press and sell, and then
sales navigator for yourself, for your team, for myself, okay? And then next. And هنا we will direct go to other find direct leads and accounts with advanced search, discover target accounts, 50 emails per month. Here you can pay some amount, or you can try it for free for 1 month. This is the first thing. The second thing we will find here is to make a group. So if you have some product, software, program, or anything, you can create a group and collect people on it. So here I have a product in Arabic, برنامج إعداد شوف أو إعداد أيام. شوف ملاحظة الامتحانات. Okay. This is the title of the group, and then description, the same description, and you can develop this. Already I have this on a Facebook account. So if you have a Facebook or YouTube, I have a YouTube video, so I can go here in the YouTube. And then find this program. I think here is the program. This one. So all. ده شرح البرنامج اهو. Later than I will remove the English, but also later. Okay. So this is how to create a group for your business or for your service. Then to market your services marketplace from here. Services marketplace to add your services. Yes, provider, yes, started. Here the service provider, you can select one of these services, add up to 10 services. So, engineering design, financial analysis, okay, computer repair, okay, business analytics, no, information management, no, web design, okay, business consulting, no, financial consultation, no, add service here, you can stock تحليل أو stock market, stock analysis, stock analyzer. ماشي؟ okay, let's find نحلل. So here Python. application development. Okay. Teaching, training. Okay. After most of this, here we have development with design, writing, engineering design, repair. Repair. Maybe engineering. Okay. One more. Step حاجة and step. Radio. Okay. Then all this. Done. And this is about, okay? You can take this from any other platform. Like this one. Kaggle. Mail. Biography. Okay. Also here, I need only 15. Edit services, okay. Okay. Now, we tried sell, groups, service, marketplace, and all this we can advertise, okay? So, what else we have to do using LinkedIn account? All this without LinkedIn. You can also enter
account for other professional, but you can enhance your profile, this profile, so you can catch freelancing jobs or full-time job, okay? You can list and sell products on LinkedIn page, and you can post useful posts and videos for catch more followers. All this you can do using your LinkedIn account. If you have any question, ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video.